As parents, you've become experts on everything: health, nutrition, time management, and whatever this is. But what about your water? Most cities add disinfecting chemicals to their tap water. But these chemicals can also make your water taste bad, skin dry, hair brittle, and laundry faded. That's why parents across the country are turning to LifeSource water systems. Our systems filter and condition your tap water before it enters your home. Every drop your family uses is free from chlorine, chloramines, dirt, and sediment. Hydrate your body, inside and out, with quality water for your entire home. So you can check worrying about your water off your list and love every workout, meal, shirt, and sip. LifeSource water. Taste and feel the difference.